Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. In this video I will follow up this tutorial provided in our documentation in order to add a new application and a new page that handles a super simple form. This use case was requested many times in our support, so we decided to provide a step-by-step video tutorial that explains and use the information published on this page. So let's go. For the demonstration, I will use a premium project, but the tutorial can be applied to any Django project. So let's create the new project in GitHub. Once the project is created, I will clone the sources in my environment and follow up the steps in this presented in this page. So okay, now the project is downloaded. Okay, once you have the sources, we need to follow up the instructions provided in the README. So basically, we need to create a new virtual environment first, activate the virtual environment, install the modules. Okay, we have here the instruction. The next step, of course, is to migrate the database, which will create the basic tables required by the application in order to work properly. And right now we can visit the application in the browser. So the application looks super nice. We have many pages. We can create users, of course, and play around. Let's create a new one. In fact, AppSeed.js. Okay, the user is created. Let's authenticate. Cool. So the application looks great. It's designed from coded teams. It's used. Okay, let's go back to our tutorial, and I will stop the application here and just copy paste all the commands as presented on this page. The first thing is to create a new application using the Django commands. So this command will create a new forms directory here in root. So with basic structure. The next thing is to update the views in order to handle a super simple root. Okay, will be just an index file that returns a string. We need to create a urls.py in order to define all the roots handled by this new application. So it's just copy paste all the information here. Of course, the new application should be integrated into our project, just to inform Django that we have a new application to manage. Here, installed apps section should be updated to include forms. And also another thing is to include the routing provided by the forms application into the routing project routing. So The application is integrated. At this point, we can start the project, and if we go here to the forms path, we should see this message served by the forms application. So the new routing works, and we can move on and define a form and use it in the page. For this, we need to create a new forms file where the definition of our form will is provided. Basically, the form is super simple, has three fields, and the email is mandatory. We have here the required flag. The next thing is to basically use the form in our index handler. Here we need to import the hello form from forms file, and effectively using it in the index method. So basically we have here a super simple code. Post this branch of the code is executed when the user effectively submits the form, and the form is validated. It's checked to have all the mandatory information. Otherwise, if the request is get, it's just a simple out of the page. The HTML is loaded. So let's follow up the instructions in the provided in the documentation. So the next thing is to update the project settings to inform Django that we have a new templates directory inside the forms application, where we will save the new page. So basically, this file hello.html. Okay, and we will save the content from here. So it's important to uncomment, to delete those backslashes in order to have this instruction valid. So I will save the file and navigate to the project settings, and include the new templates directory provided by the forms application. So here we need to put this definition, and also update this line with directories, and include the new directory. So at this point we should have the new form up and running. Just let's update the page. The information is here, basically all the fields that we defined in the forms in the hello form. Here, if we add another one, we should see the change reflected in the page. Let's put here title 2. If we refresh the page, the new field is here. Let's submit the form and see how it goes. Okay, so 0 message. Let's put a dummy message. Rate and an email. Support at AppSeed. This email address, you can use it because it's the official support address provided by us. You can find it here on the support page. So in case you have issues, feel free to send us an email or just join the Discord community. We have more than 1,000 members. So and ask for live help. Okay, now we have all the information here. If I'm submitting the form, the backend accepts the request, and basically this code is executed. So the hello form is provisioned with the information sent by the user. The form is checked for validity, and we see here this message basically. So guys, thanks for watching. The tutorial can be found on our documentation here on content tutorials Django forms. Feel free to play around with the content, create your own projects, and in case anyone have issues, feel free to access AppSeed. We have here a support link in the top of the homepage, and you can send us an email and get support right away. Thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed, and as always, I wish you all a super day. Bye guys.